A warm up is a series of exercises that prepares you for the actual workout. It gradually increases your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles, as well as raises your body temperature. Warming up is important for injury prevention. Arm circles: move your arms in circles to loosen shoulder muscles. Jumping jacks: jump while spreading arms and legs to increase heart rate. Torso twist: it turns your body side to side to relax the waist and back. Main exercise is the main part of the workout where you do stronger movements to build strength, burn calories, and improve fitness. Squats: make legs and hips stronger. Plank: makes the core and back strong. Forward lunges: improves balance and strengthen legs. Jump squats: builds power and strength in legs. Knee claps: improves coordination and leg strength. Russian twist: strengthens abs and side muscles. Butt kicks: stretches legs and improves running speed. Improves stamina and heart health. Elbow knee crunches: help shape and strengthen abs. Wall sit builds leg strength and endurance. Cool down is a light exercise after the workout that helps the body relax, slow the heartbeat, and prevent muscle pains. Hamstring stretch makes the back of your leg flexible and reduce tightness. Shoulder stretch relaxes shoulder muscles and eases tension. Head roll relieves tension in the neck muscles and increase flexibility.